good day, sir. There is a reporting about the effects of the liquid spray surface inside the tank of compartment to the vessel stability. First is introduction. The presence of the free surface liquids within a vessel tank or compartment significantly impact its stability. And the second, the free surface effect. When a vessel fills the liquid within its tank shift, this movement creates a second moment opposing the vessel's righting moment. Volume of liquid. A large volume of liquid results in a greater free surface effect. Liquid destiny. Density. Higher density liquids exert a more significant. And the third is tank geometry. Whether shallower tank amplify the effect compared to narrow, deeper one. Number three is mathematical representation. The reduction in metacentric height due to the free surface effect is calculated as.
Number four is consequence of the free surface effect. The free surface effect can lead to reduced stability. A lower GA makes the vessel more surface to passing. Number five, mitigation strategy. Several methods can mitigate the free surface effect. Compartmentalization, dividing large tank into smaller compartments, reduce the size of the free surface and thus the effects. Partial fillings, keeping tanks partially filled, minimize the volume of free surface liquid. Internal valves, its styling valve within tank restrict liquid movements and reduce the free surface effect. Number six is conclusion. The free surface effect is a critical condition in vessel design and operation. Ignoring these effects can have service sequence, potentially leading to accidents, implementing appro- appropriate mitigation strategies is essential for ensuring the safe and stable transport of liquid cargo.
So, mawar to sir.